Hey, this is James from Websites Made Easy, and this video is all about blogging for beginners, and will teach you how to be a blogger with just the most basic computer skills. So whether you're 8 or 88, you can create your own blog, and it's going to be a simple and fun experience. Sound good? Awesome. So let's dive in. So why should you create a blog and join the blogging community? Before we dive in though, I really want to talk about why you should start a blog. Look, blogging has quickly become one of the most popular ways of communicating and spreading information and news. There are literally millions of blogs online, and don't worry, you can make yours stand out and get noticed. It's a great way to express yourself and also a fantastic way to share information with others. You become a better person sharing your perspective and experiences with others, and also become a better writer. And one of the best reasons? You can make money doing it. And I understand, you might feel a little overwhelmed or think you won't be able to do this. And that's natural, and believe me, you will. And in just a few minutes, this will be your blog. I'll be showing you every step to creating this, and you can build this in one click. It's awesome. You'll get the hang of it quickly, and you'll see it's actually easy. And if you ever need to pause the video, please do. Have a stretch, a breather, and then continue with it. It's very quick to get this done. So are you ready? Grab a drink, a snack, get comfortable, and let's start creating your blog. Now, most folks have the blog creation process wrong, and I finally figured out how to do it right. I finally figured out how to get people to actually complete their blog so they can have a fun, creative outlet to share their message, connect with their tribe, and make money. See, the old way of creating a blog was to start with a blank canvas, which is just intimidating and overwhelming. You just have this blank screen staring back at you, and you don't know what to do or what to say. And that's horrible. And almost no one ever starts or finishes it. I've been teaching people like you how to start blogging since 2012. And this is the biggest problem. Most people just don't complete it. The start literally stops most people. It just becomes way too overwhelming. Now, the good news is there's another way. See, I've created a simple system to starting your blog. So in just 3 easy steps, you'll have your blog live on the internet. No gimmicks, no overwhelm. Just 3 steps, and you'll have this done. So what will you be doing in the next 3 steps? And what can you expect to achieve? Let's take a look at that now. Step 1 is all about registering your new blog's address, also known as your domain name. You'll learn what a domain name is, how to register one, and tips on the best practices when choosing one. Just like buying a house and having an address so friends and family can visit. Your blog address is there so people can visit your blog. We've also got a great little coupon code which will reduce the cost for you even more. Then you'll install WordPress onto your new domain. In step 2, you're going to be amazed how your new blog looks because we'll be installing a new theme which will transform the look and feel of your blog. And again, it just takes a few clicks to do this. I'm going to show you how you can create your fully functioning blog in less than 60 seconds and customize it with simple drag and drop without feeling intimidated or overwhelmed. It's simple and fun. You'll get to know what a theme is and be introduced to your new blog. In step 3, you'll start creating the foundations of your blog and get it online. You will learn the ins and outs of your new starter blog and create and customize the different pages of your blog, such as your About Us page and Contact Us page, so visitors can carry on the conversation and connect with you. It grows trust in you and it expands people's awareness for what you're doing. You're going to have lots of fun in this step, watching your blog come to life because you'll be also creating your first blog posts. Having a blog really gives you the opportunity to deeply connect and talk to your audience about things that matter to them the most. It also builds and establishes the know, like, and trust factor with them. You could do this by giving your audience regular, fresh, and relevant content, which speaks to their interests and fulfills their wants and needs. I'm excited to show you all the goodies coming up. Now, I don't know how much longer these starter blogs will be available for free, so watch this right now while you still can. So what are the odds that you'll discover something totally unexpected and new today? Well, I can tell you this. What I'm revealing today is the cutting-edge way of starting a blog. It's fresh, new, and different. Now, picture in your mind how much better your life will be once you finally have your blog live online. A fun creative outlet, building your business, connecting with your audience, building a tribe of loyal fans, and more time with your family and friends, more autonomy, and more time to enjoy life. These are just some of the benefits you are now enjoying. Your blog has transformed your life, and it certainly has for me. I'll be walking you through our proven and easy 3-step WTC system, which stands for website, or in this case, blog, traffic, and customers. So the steps will be, step 1 is picking out and registering your blog's address. Now this is also known as your domain name. Step 2 is getting started with WordPress and installing the fresh WordPress theme that I'll be showing you in just a moment. And step 3 is getting your blog online and designing it properly so it can immediately be viewed by visitors on the internet. WordPress is used by millions of people all around the world. Did you know that some of the biggest companies use WordPress? And some of the most famous people use it to run their own websites? People like Katy Perry, Jay-Z, companies like Forbes, Mashable, Sony, all are using WordPress because WordPress is just so easy to use. Anyone can create a blog, grow it, and in time, gain thousands of fans. To give you an idea of what's to come, take a quick peek at the blog we'll be creating. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your blog's address, also known as your domain name. Just like ours is at websitesmadeeasy.tv. You're going to have your very own domain name too. And website hosting, so your website has somewhere to live and people can find it. Now, both of these are super cheap because I'm going to give you a special coupon code. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your domain name and getting set up with website hosting. So let's head over to Hostgator.com. Now, I use Hostgator not only for myself, but also for all my Websites Made Easy members because they're super reliable and they have awesome customer service. They know WordPress and are available 24/7 phone and chat support to deal with any issues or to answer any questions. Plus, I've been using these guys going on 10 years now without any real problems. Okay, so what you want to do now is click on Get Started in the middle of the page. Then select the hatchling plan if you only want one website. But if you're planning on having multiple websites, then I would recommend going with the baby plan, as this will give you unlimited domains. It's the only difference between the two. Now, this is really the only money you'll spend in this tutorial, and it comes under just $10 a month. It really is a small investment to get started with your website and have your business live online. Now, you want to register a new domain name. Now, hopefully you've really thought about this and picked a good domain name. If the name you want is not available, keep drilling down and use different URL extensions such as .com, .net, .org, etc., or even playing around with the actual name. Then go ahead and enter a username and security pin and choose the billing cycle you'd like. And I'm going to go with the whole year as it's slightly cheaper this way. Next, enter in billing information here and make sure you use an email address you can access, as Hostgator will email you with your login details afterward. Next, you'll see it's added on extras here. You want to uncheck these as you don't need them. And now you want to enter the coupon code here. So enter WordPress Hero to be sure to validate your savings, and you'll see the cost will go right down, saving you up to 60% off your entire hosting, depending on the hosting package you choose. If you decide to go with a year or more, it will unlock a free domain, which is cool. Now, you should know that we do get a small affiliate commission for anybody that signs up. And we're going to save you money by getting you the lowest price possible. So it really is a win-win. You get the lowest price possible and we get a small commission for you signing up. So it's great for everybody. And it helps support us to continue to make this content for you. Now, when you're happy with everything, click on Checkout Now and you'll be the proud owner of your very own new website address. Okay, awesome. Now, you'll receive a couple of emails from Hostgator with your login details and some links to different things. This is very important, so you want to find the Cpanel link here and click on that. The Cpanel is where you can install WordPress to your domain name and also do lots more stuff with your website. So log in using the username and password which you chose, and in case you can't remember, they're both in the email you just received. At first, this might look a bit overwhelming. It did for me when I first saw it. There's lots of different things you can do here, but all you need to do right now is find the software and services area. So scroll down and you'll see it here. Now you need to find the PHP selector and we want to click that and then change the PHP software to the latest one. Currently the latest one is 7.0 as I'm creating this video. By default it comes set at 5.4. So we want to be sure to update this. Now this will ensure your WordPress website is using the latest software. So make sure you update this. Now click back and in the same section software, find Quick Install and click on that and click on WordPress here. Okay, all you need to do now is fill in a few things such as the email address, the person who will be looking after your website. So if this is you, you can put in your email address, then your name or the name of the person as well. Now give your website a title, then your name and last name, and click on Install WordPress. Once you've installed WordPress, you'll get a success message that it's complete. Your username and password are here. You're going to use these to log into your website. You'll also get an email with all of this in it as well. When you're ready, click on this link here, which will take you to the login or back end of your website, so you can edit and start creating it. And you might get an error message saying that the page isn't available yet. And you might have to wait until everything with your new website is set up. Then click the link again. Now, this is completely normal. It just takes a little bit for your website to become live online. And also, you might have to set up the name servers for your new website. So don't worry about this. It's super easy. All you need to do is head over to Hostgator again. And once you're there, click on the customer portal. Now log in using the username and password, which you'll find in the email Hostgator sent you. Now you want to click on domains and click on your domain and find name servers. And then click on change. Then click on automatically point to my domain to my hosting account. Then save and you are all done. Now you should be able to click on that link again, enter your username and password to log into WordPress and you're in. Okay, awesome. You should now be in your WordPress dashboard and you are now the proud owner of an online website. So congratulations. Well done for sticking with it. It's a huge achievement and this is where the real fun is about to begin. And this is the WordPress dashboard, and think of it like the heart of your website where you can edit and change different things. Now, there's lots of different things going on in here, and we're going to talk about these very soon, so don't let it scare you or make you feel overwhelmed. It's not daunting at all. It's actually super easy to work with WordPress, and I'm going to show you how in this video. So the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and X out any of these notifications. And if yours does look a little bit different than mine, you have some more notifications, that's okay. Just X them all out for now. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what your website looks like right now. So head up here to the left and see the little home. Right click on that and open it up in a new tab. Now, as you can see, it's really plain. There's not a lot going on, but that's going to change real soon. We're going to get this bad boy dialed in and properly set up in a way to connect with your audience. Okay, so let's go ahead and head back to the WordPress dashboard area and go ahead and leave both these tabs open. This way we can see live edits. Now right here where it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page, once you're ready to launch your site, click here. Go ahead and click this now. This way we'll have a live page that we can take a peek at when we want, and it's not showing a coming soon page. So now I want you to head down here to settings and then click on permalinks. Now this is real important. This is going to help with your search engine optimization so people can find you online. So all you have to do is just update this to post name. And this makes it much easier for the search engines like Google to find your website. So people searching for your business or your services will be able to find your website. So make sure you go ahead and save everything. And now what we'll do is head back to the dashboard. So next, in order to easily change the functionality and look of our website, we're going to install a new theme. So the new theme is called Astra, and it's awesome. So to install the theme, let's head over here and then click on Appearance, and now click on Themes. And then click on New, and then search for Astra. Here it is right here. So we're going to go ahead and install this theme. So just go ahead and click Install, and then click Activate. Okay, awesome. So the theme is now activated. And now we're going to install a plugin which comes with this theme. So by installing this plugin, we'll be able to easily customize our theme. So to install that plugin, let's go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. Now search for the plugin called Astra Starter Sites. So here it is right here. So we want to go ahead and click Install, and then click Activate. So the plugin is now installed. Now this plugin has a collection of pre-built starter websites that you can use on your website. So to see those starter sites, let's head over here to Appearance and then click on Starter Templates. Then click on Elementor. Elementor is the free tool that you use to customize your website. And now you have all these different websites that you can choose from. It's amazing. Full websites. So some of them say agency, and that means they're paid. And we want to just go ahead and up here and toggle free. So since our primary focus is blogging, we're going to pick a starter site that is set up properly for blogging. Now, whether you're an entrepreneur, business owner, freelancer, influencer, you're covered, saving you a ton of time and money, and all without the overwhelm and headache of trying to get a website customized with a preset template. Trust me, it's game changing. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this design right here. And now you can see what the site will look like with this beautiful portfolio homepage, linking to the blog, which is awesome. Then you have your About page, programs, the blog, of course. And all of this will be imported in one click. And the cool thing is that you don't need all these pages just starting out. You could literally have your home page and your blog page, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we're going to do is click Import Complete Site, and you're going to have your entire blog and website imported in one click. It's awesome. So go ahead and click Import. So let's click View Site. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, the demo has been imported into our website. And now this is how it looks. And you can also see the other pages as well, which also have the demo content. So once you've got the starter site installed, you can now go to the final step, which is customizing the content. So to edit any bit of the site, you just have to go to that page and click Edit with Elementor. So let's say that you want to edit the home page. You just simply click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. So my goal is to show you the most straightforward way to build your website. Once you understand these basic fundamentals, you'll be able to customize everything on your website. It's so easy. So now we're going to go into editing this section right here. So just click into there, and then you can update the text to whatever you want. Now, what I love and what's so effective about this blog is it's very simple, it's clean,
And more importantly, it's very clear what transformation or experience is being offered. Now, it's always important to remember that people don't buy products or services, they buy the experience, they buy the transformation. So the homepage of your blog should do 3 things within 5 seconds of someone landing on your blog: connect, engage, and convert. It has to be crystal clear what you're presenting to your audience. Will they be able to understand what you do within 5 seconds of landing on your blog? Why should they want to continue on your blog? What's the main benefit that you help your audience with? In other words, what's the transformation, the experience people can expect from you? And obviously here, it's very clear what Lucy does. So if they're interested, they see the pictures, which are stunning, and more than likely, they're going to continue on the site and contact Lucy for their nutrition or fitness goals. Not a lot of convoluted information, very straightforward and streamlined. That's what you want. Okay, so let's get back to it. And you can also edit the text over here. Click on Style. You can change the text color to whatever you want. Pretty cool. Or you can also, if you go to typography, you can adjust the size to whatever you want, or even change the font. Same in this area, as well as in this area. You can also delete any section you want. So say you don't want the call to action, we can just delete this. Right click, delete. If we want to update this image, we just click in the image, head over here, click choose image. We can upload from our computer by clicking this, or go to media library. And I can just pick any of these images I want to update. So let's just go, let's try this one. Insert media. And now I can align this if I want by moving this over. I can center it. Now, if I want to update this whole background image, what I'm going to do is click these 6 dots, then head over here, and then right here it says background overlay. This is why you see this kind of dark, right? It has an overlay over it. So if we scroll down here and change this, we can adjust the overlay. And if you want to change the background, click on background. And of course, you want to make sure you're in style, okay, to do all this. And you can change the image right here. Now check this out. Say you wanted to see how the background scrolls when you scroll. Say you wanted to update that. We could go to fixed, and you have that nice effect, which is called a parallax effect. So this is how you edit each section of your entire website. So if we head down to this section right here, it's a new section. So we could click in here, the pencil, and then we can add more images. Click here. Then we can select add to gallery. And I'm going to choose one of these images. So we'll select this one right here, add to gallery, and then insert gallery. And now we have another image. So we can see it right here. This will be cool for showcasing our work. So if we wanted to update this text, we would just head over here and do the same thing. We can edit it in here or right over here. And we could choose a different image here or get rid of it by right-clicking and then deleting. And if you want to change this button color, you would just click in here. You can, of course, edit the text. And then head over here to style and then background color, and then you can change the color. Okay. Head down here, you get it. You can just change the text, whatever you want. Now, if you want to edit these pictures, you just head up here, click on the picture, go to style, and then you can change the image right here. Now, if you don't want all these, you would just click this and then delete. Pretty cool, right? And then for the testimonials, yeah, you just click in here, same stuff, real easy. All this is real straightforward. Okay? Now say, for example, you didn't want an area, say we wanted to get rid of this, we can just X that whole area out. Now this section right here is our actual blog. And right now, If we click on any of these, it's not going to go anywhere. So we need to make a couple changes to update this. So let's click these 3 lines over here and then exit to dashboard. Go ahead and close this and then click right here in the W and then click on your site name right there. So if we click on the blog, nothing is going to happen. So what we're going to do is update this so anytime you create a blog post, you will have a blog role. So all your blog posts will live on this page. So anytime someone clicks blog, you'll see all your blog posts. So we're going to head back here. We're going to click on dashboard. Then we're going to head down here to settings and then click on reading. Now right here where it says your homepage displays a static page, when we installed the Astra starter site, it selected the homepage for us, which you can see here. So for the post page, we have nothing selected. So your post typically serve as blog posts. Okay, so we're going to select blog for this. So anytime we create a post over here, this is going to be for our blog content. Pages are for static pages, such as your About Us page, contact page, product page. You get the idea. So post only blog posts. That's it. So let's go ahead and make sure we save right here. Then head back. Now, when we installed this starter site, it came with a lot of default content, remember? So it came with some blog posts. If we click blog, boom, here's our blog. Pretty cool, right? So for now, I would just model these blog posts, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. So if I just click on the post, this is what it will look like. And if we wanted to edit this post, we would click on Edit Post right here, not edit with Elementor. This is just a blog post. And here's the post right here. So what we would do to edit any of it is we could just click in. It's literally like a Word document. It's very simple. You just paste in, this is the name of the post right here, and you literally just paste in your content. It's real simple. To change the image right here, we could just remove this block. And if I wanted to add a new image, I could press enter, and then I could click this little plus right here and say I wanted to add an image. Click the image, media library, and I'll just pick something random here. Let's pick this one. And we want to select that. Looking good. Real simple. Now you can do some pretty fancy stuff with blog posts, and what I'll do is link to a video below teaching you how to make beautiful, engaging blog post with the WordPress Gutenberg editor, because that could be a whole tutorial on its own. It can be pretty involved with what you can do. You can make some really amazing looking blog posts, as you can kind of tell here. For now, what's important is just get your blog live, some content out there, a couple images, and you are set to jet. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to structure your blog so you get the most engagement and best user experience. Okay, so let's head back to the home page, and we'll head down here. And right here, where our blog posts are, I'd like for you to think of these as categories. Okay, so for example, at Websites Made Easy, we have 3 categories, which is website, traffic, and customers. 3 things that we help people with, or the experience of transformation they can get in those 3 areas of our business. So for this example, this could be, for example, weight training, nutrition, yoga. You get the idea. So basically how it would work is any content that you create that is specific to nutrition, you would categorize it as nutrition. Or weight training, you would categorize your blog posts weight training, or whatever the name you want to come up with. This could be yoga. So let me show you with the specific blog posts that we currently have here. So we can go back to the blog. Okay, so this is the blog role. This is where every one of your blog posts will live. It doesn't matter the category. Now, right now, all of these are uncategorized. We're going to fix this, okay? So right here, these two are nutrition, and we'll just work with these two for an example, nutrition. So I'll go ahead and click on this post. Okay, so here's the blog post, and now I'm gonna go ahead and click Edit Post. Now, if you're logged in, you'll be able to do this, okay? So click Edit Post. And then from here, we wanna go to Categories, click that, and then add a new category. So I'm just gonna type in nutrition. If I can spell it right. Okay, I'll just copy that, the next one, and then add new category. Perfect. Now we'll uncheck this and then update the post. Awesome. Now we can view post right here. And now you can see it's categorized, nutrition. So we'll head back to the blog, and I'm going to update this one. So I'm going to click the post, edit post, and then right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to tick off this and uncheck this and then update. Perfect. Now check this out. This is where it gets cool. So I'm going to go ahead and view post. And then right here, if we click on nutrition, check that out. Now we have all our blog posts that are specific to nutrition. Now what's cool about this is it really structures and organizes your blog. So when someone, finds you online and they're reading a specific post and it's under the nutrition category, they're going to be able to find the rest of your blog posts specific to nutrition. So they'll stay on your blog longer. That's what you want, okay? Now what we'll do is grab this URL. Then all we got to do is head back to the home page. Head down here, and you're going to want to do this for each section if you decide to do it this way. All right, and then right here, we can make sure we select Edit with Elementor. So when you're editing posts, you're just going to click Edit Posts. Posts do not use Elementor. So we'll head down, and then right here, we'll click the Read More, and then pop in this link, and then update. And that's it. And pretty easy stuff. And the rest of your site is really easy. Now I'm going to show you how to update the header area up here, add a logo, change up your menu if you don't want all these pages, and edit your footer here in a minute. And that's about it. And also, if you don't want any of these sections, let me show you this real quick. Click this little hamburger thing. It looks like a little hamburger, but it's a little icon. It says Navigator. Click that, and then you can see all the sections of your page. As you click on one, it'll take you to each individual section. Now, if you don't want a section, you can just exit out. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to go back in time, you can click on the history icon right here, and then I can go ahead and just click this one right here. Yep, that's still good to go. So the rest of our site is perfect. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and update. Well, everything is good to go there. Close this out. And then I want you to click on the 3 lines right here, and then exit to dashboard. So that is how you optimize your blog for the best user experience and to get the most engagement. And right here, you can access all your posts. And now you can see them categorized, nutrition. So you'd want to update these as well. So let's head back and visit site. So now you know how to edit any page on your blog. And next, I'm going to show you how to edit the header in the footer area of your blog. Now to edit your header, it's a little bit different. You're going to head up here to Customize and go ahead and click that. And then to change your logo right here, you would head over here and click on this blue pencil. then you can change your logo right here just by clicking Change Logo. Now to edit your footer, just go ahead and X out of this, and then head over here to Edit with Elementor, and then click on Footer right here. And this is exactly the same. You can change the text right here. Of course, add in a new logo, your social channels. So you can click on these, can pop in the URL for each social channel. Or if you wanted to change, you can click on the icon library and search for different icons for your different social channels, and it's that easy. So that's it. That's how you edit your footer area. So if you make any changes, go ahead and update. Okay, so we are done here. Let's go ahead and click on these 3 lines and then exit to dashboard. And then click on the home right here to visit the home page of the site. And that is how you edit your header and footer area. Now, what if you wanted to add in a new page? Say, for example, a product page. All you would do is head over here to New, and then click on Page. Go ahead and title your page here. And then click Edit with Elementor. So now it will take you to this blank section, and now you have a couple of options to create your page. Now first, you can use the elements, which are over here, and then drag and drop them into this area. So for example, if you want to add a heading, you can just drag and drop this element here and then add in your text. And to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop it here and start creating your page. Or you can use a pre-built template. So we'll head down here, click on History, and then click Editing Started, and it will start back from the very beginning. Now we can click on one of these two to add in a page template. Now we've already been using this right here, which is Astra Starter Sites. So let's try this one. So we click this, and this is the Elementor page templates. So they have a lot of different pages. Now these are individual pages. So we'll search for product. And I like this one right here. So we can take a look at it. Awesome, right? And I'll import this entire page. So we want to click Insert. Now we need to connect to Elementor to make this work. So you just got to simply register real quick. Then it will take you back to the Elementor dashboard. So we want to head back to our pages. So click on Pages and then All Pages. And now you're going to head down to your product page. And this is the draft because we haven't published the page yet. So we're going to go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. And then we'll click back into the Elementor template library right here. Then search for product. Here it is right here. Then we're going to go ahead and insert it. Awesome. So here's the completed page in one click. Pretty awesome, right?
Website on WordPress should be as intuitive and simple as writing a blog post.
Go ahead and pause this. Yeah, and this is the same process. Just click in here and you can start typing away. You can change the images. Click in the pencil. There's the image right there. If you wanted to change this YouTube video, you click on the pencil and you pop in your YouTube video right there. Or if you didn't want this, you could just X that entire section out. That easy. And we can go back in history and then get rid of everything, or we can go ahead and add it back in. Pretty cool, right? So once you're done, go ahead and publish.
We believe designing a website on WordPress should be as intuitive and simple as writing a blog post.
Now we can take a look at it. And that is how you create a page. Looks awesome, right? So what if we wanted to add our product page to our menu up here? All we would have to do is head over here to your site name and then click on Menus. And then we can customize our menu just how we want it. So here's our menu right here, and here are all our pages. So here's our product page. We can click this and then click Add to Menu. There it is. And then we can move it around just how we want it. Pretty cool, right? Now, say if we didn't want it, let me just go ahead and save the menu and show you what this looks like. Now we can head back up here and take a look. There it is. There's our product page. Awesome, right? So if we head back, go to menus, and we wanted to remove anything, all you would have to do is toggle this and then remove, and it will remove it from the menu altogether. So for any of these pages, if you don't want any of them, just remove them. So I can remove, and boom, you're good to go. So that's it. This is how you can add new pages to your website. So now you know how you can launch your website and blog by getting a domain and hosting, input the demo content, and then edit it to make it your own website. So if you're ready to start your blog, just head over to Hostgator.com. It will take you to the page which we saw in the first step. Be sure to take advantage of the free domain and your discount by using the coupon code, and build your blog. Thank you very much. My name is James Stafford.